To keep Wi-Fi and mobile data stay on when your phone is locked in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap secure lock setting. Enter your current secure screen lock. As the example, if you use pattern, draw your pattern. And then tap the gray on option next to lock network and security to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. By enabling this option, your phone will prevent Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked. As a note, it comes handy when you lose or forget where you place your phone, because it lets you use Find My Mobile, which use this connection to locate and control your phone remotely. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.